Hello everyone, this is Ritesh from Dancing with Data क्योंकि data ही data है. So today we are going to talk about Tableau KPI, an easy, simple way to create a KPI. And let us move over to the final destination. So this is that. So we are just concentrating on this very particular logic. So this is simple, right? You have three parameters over there. So if you select the scope current month year versus last year month year, so it would consider both year and month. For example, 2017, and I say third month, or say March of 2017. So whatever value that you see over there, this is the sales for March 2017. So okay, that is fine. That you can see over there as well. So it shows me that it has gone up with respect to the last year. So let us check 2016 March. Okay, so it has gone up because it was 38,726. So you see this arrow mark, up arrow, green, up arrow over there. And at the same time, it here again up arrow, and it shows the difference. Like that means 51,000 means this is plus 38, means like 38,000 plus 12,990. That gives you, so it shows you the difference as well with respect to the previous year. So how to create this one? So let us see how many components are there. Okay, this is the title over there, that's fine. But especially if I just show you, you can see on the left hand side all this blue tick mark, test is this one. Okay, we are not concerned with this one, but for this one, I need KPI. Okay, area chart that you see in between, then KPI and the KPI difference. So let us try to do one by one. So let us start with the first one where if someone chooses the current year or month, he should be able to see the current year and month sales. That's it, as simple as that. For that, first of all, we need to create some parameters. Some of the parameters are already over there. So I open a new sheet, and you can see some of the parameters are already over there that we are going to make use of. So first of all, let me show month order date. Probably I need year first. That's fine. And last but not the least, select scope, right? What is the scope, right? Whether I want to see the current year, month last year, or only current year last year. So that's up to you. So let us arrange this properly. Select scope, then year, then month. That's it. I've just renamed this sheet to current year month sales. That's it. So guys, I'm expecting that you know how to create a parameter. That is nothing, but you can go create parameter, and you can create this parameter of type string, of type integer, so forth and so on. So we have the parameter, select scope, new, year, where I have all the years, and month, where I have all the month from 1 to 12. So this is the pre-requirement for this. So for now, if I put sales over there to text, so there is no relationship with this one. There is no relationship. It will just give you the overall sales across the years. No relation. So we need to create that relationship, and we need to create a calculation. So what would be the calculation for the current year, right? If my year is equal to this, my month is equal to this, then get me the sum of sales. As simple as that. So let us create a one, and I say create calculated field. So fair enough. I say apply, okay, and I put that to say text, and let us try to see whether it is coming correctly or not. 2017 4th. So April of 2017, 38,000. So let us check. So I have one test sheet over there, April 2017, 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is 38,750. 38,000, so we are bang on. So our parameter is working over here. But where is that KPI arrow? It's not there, right? So let me put it there, turn that to discrete, and now the story will begin. the story of KPI. Let me turn that to entire view. Okay, good. It's more visible. I don't want the decimal places over there. Maybe I can format it. Okay, I don't want those decimal places over there. But what about that shape, right? For that shape, I need a condition which will see that whether it is greater than last year or not. So we need that condition as well. In order to get that condition, we have present year sale. So we need to get the previous year sale as well. So let us try to create that calculation as well. So we have current YYMM. So let us just duplicate that one and make change in the same calculation. Okay, so let me duplicate that one, and after that I will say this as a previous year. So I say this as previous. Okay, so we'll have to make some changes over there in the calculation. So previous year, what would be there, right? That means -1 with respect to this parameter. So I would say -1. So my year should be -1 to this one, and my month would remain same, right? There is no need to change month. So that this way I get my previous year. Maybe in between I'll put that slash over there. That makes more sense. Okay, and for the current also I will put that slash over there. Okay, we are good. So we have got current also and the previous month as well. But how do I confirm the same? Let us bring that to the level of detail. Here you go, previous month, and turn that to discrete for sure. Here you go. So it says 34,000, and I will do the same exercise where we will format it to custom and go down. Okay, don't go down, by the way, right? When I say go down. Bad joke. So it says 34,000. Let us check whether 2016 for, because this should be last year, right? Last year April. So let us check. So I go to my test 2016 4 1 2 3 4 34,195. 34,000. We are perfect. This is perfect. Our KPI depends upon the difference of these two values, right? So let us create a new calculation. I'm making a different calculation to make you understand. We can, merge that into one, but I'm not doing that to make it simple. So let me remove this one. Because I just need the previous one. Now I will create a condition. That's it. So if it is positive, up arrow, and if it is negative, down arrow. That's the logic, right? Now we need to bring that to our shape. Okay, first we need to change that to shape. Bring that to shape. Okay, great. Remember that we need to create a Boolean condition. We have not done that yet. So let us do that. Okay, that's cool. Okay, the nature has changed, so this will happen, but I can do it again. Now I can turn, okay, again I think we made some mistake over there. It's there, it's a Boolean function. I picked the wrong one. Okay. We need to put some over there. It's not a row level context, so we'll put some over there. We put a Zn function to turn any null to 0 as well. So we need to have Zn function as well. Here we go. Now let us try to put it back. There you go. So, okay, false. So false means down arrow. That one. Okay. So we'll set this up for the up arrow. So we need a condition where it will go up actually. Okay, we have got one condition over there. I go back. Okay, here you go. That's it. So we are done with the first one, I guess so. So you can pick any very particular year and month, and it will show you that whether it was up or down with respect to the previous year and month. For example, 2017 and 8, if I go to my test sheet, it will show that for the year 2016 and 8th month, it has gone down. 2016 8th month, that is August, 36,898. So you can see it has indeed gone down. So that's fine. Now go to the second part. Now we will create the second part with this one, where it should show the difference as well, and how we get this down arrow, because there is a slight different way to get this one, and there is an interesting way to get this one. So just tune on. So here we are having the sales for that very particular year and month, but then the next one actually we want this one difference from previous year, not in the form of Boolean but the number. So I go to the next sheet. I can just duplicate this one. So I don't want this in the Boolean way. I want the value by how much. So I can say difference from the previous year value. Okay, that way I can differentiate, and I say apply. Okay, and here you go. So I get the value again. I will repeat the step to format this quickly. I've turned that to entire view, and now so we are almost there. Now we just need to get that sign over there. Now we'll use something different. So I'll again go to the format. I'll show you that how to do that. Format, number, and custom. I'll copy paste this one, and here you go. Here you go. You have got this one again. You need to ensure that you have all the parameters on the right hand side. So I'll just say show parameter. You can repeat it. Okay. This should go at the top. This should come at the bottom. This should come over there. And here you go. It is working fine. Like 2018 8, it has gone up by 32,000. 2018 8, that means again August, by 38,000. Yes, I think the 63 minus 31, yes, 38,000. So we are done. So if you can see, this is the way you can get this KPI, and you can rearrange both into one. Right. So I'm not going into that how you are bringing that to the dashboard, but I was concerned with this KPI and with this KPI. Yes, you can put this good looking KPI area, rearrange it over there. This is nothing but over the years, what is the sum of sales, that gives you some classic look in the background. So I hope this was useful, and the formula, the copy paste will be there at the description, so don't worry about the same. So this is Ritesh signing off from Dancing with Data, क्योंकि data ही दाता है, क्या तुमको सब कुछ आता है.